Rahul went to the interview. I mean, went to the job interview in the campus. By seeing Rahul, okay, the interview person felt that Rahul is like my kid. Rahul is like my kid. So he asked some general questions. What's about your father? What about your mother? Like general questions selected in the company. He didn't ask a single technical question also selected. But Asha went to the interview. The interview person gave left and right 30 minutes. All the questions he asked and so on. She tried her level best, but the interview person not satisfied. Then automatically she didn't get the job. Where is the problem? If academic score, if you consider 90% is Asha, but Rahul has 70% only. But Rahul got the job. Asha didn't get the job in the campus center. Okay, the reason for that is luck, time. Those things also play the role. Okay, it doesn't mean Rahul is the genius. That's why he got the job. Single technical question also interview person not asked. Okay, Asha is the very poor in the technical. She's the very worst. She's not that much knowledgeable. That's why she didn't get the job. You should not use the word. Okay, remember carefully. That's why whether success or failure accept in the same style, be balanced. Okay, so success or failure not going to be decided based on only your efforts, based on some other factors also.